Lesson 25. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect continuous. Since, 2. Story 1.
Emily, 26 years old, Brazil. I have been learning Portuguese since I moved to Brazil 4 months ago. I have been meeting many new people every day since I started living here, and I want to be able to communicate with them in their native language. I've been trying to use as little English as possible, but it's been difficult at times. Luckily, most people have been very patient with me. They have been trying their best to help me learn and make me feel at home, but I've been making progress since I signed up for conversation classes with a native speaker last month. I'm still a bit shy to speak Portuguese in public, but my teacher Jose has been encouraging me to do it even if I'm not sure how to say something correctly. Since I met Jose, I have been learning something new every week, not only about the language, but also about Brazilian culture.
Story 2.
Andreas, 15 years old, Austria. I'm surprising my parents with a romantic dinner for 2 this evening. I have been preparing everything since they left for work this morning. Since I walked my younger brother to school and returned home, I've been cleaning the house and decorating the living room with flowers and candles. I hope that my parents will appreciate my effort and won't be too mad that I skipped school today. They have been working a lot since they quit their 9-to-5 jobs and started their own company last year. I want to remind them that it's important to relax and spend time together outside work. Oops! I've just realized that my special dessert, blueberry cake, is still in the oven. It's been baking since I left it there almost 2.5 hours ago. Let's hope that it hasn't burned completely yet. I need to cool it and start setting the table because my parents will be here in about 20 minutes.
Story 3.
Diego, 34 years old, Spain. Since I injured my foot a few days ago, I have been lying in bed most of the time. I've been working from home since Monday because I can't walk out of the house on my own. I've been trying to focus on work, but it has been hard to concentrate with all the pain. My girlfriend has been helping me so much since I got injured. I don't know what I would do without her. She has been assisting me in moving around the house, giving me leg massages to relax my muscles, and she's been cooking all the meals. She has been spending more time at home since she became a freelance translator 6 months ago, so she has been keeping me company. She has been doing such a brilliant job taking care of me all week, and I think that she deserves some time off. That's why I've just booked a day at the spa for her.
The end of Lesson 25.